What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with another Fluxtastic news update, guys. That is right. Today is claim day. That is right. It is the Avalanche AVAX asset. The Flux AVAX asset claim has just been distributed. So as of right now, this very second, I will even show you how to do it right now. You can claim your assets. So if you were holding these on May 5th, that was back when the snapshot was taken, you are now available to claim these tokens. Now you are not able to swap them in Fusion just yet, but you are able to claim them and have them in your wallet. And we can figure out what the fees are going to be real fast and kind of see what it's going to be like. So let's dig in, shall we? So as you can see right here, we are inside of the Zocor wallet. Now we are going to go to manage assets because we do not have this asset in our rewards wallet. So we're going to go ahead and you can see featured, which is the Flux AVAX. But before we get there, let's scroll all the way down to the Avalanche C-Chain network. As you can see, Flux AVAX is there, which we're going to go ahead and click. But it is very important to note that you will need AVAX in order to send these to another wallet. If you have like a collection of wallets or nodes on different wallets, you may need to collateralize all of them together. You're gonna need AVAX C-Chain, okay? No other AVAX, just AVAX C-Chain. So you can add that to the portfolio as well for later purposes. I'll show you in a minute. So now that we have those added, we can head on over here to the apps into Fusion. As you can see, we are not swapping, but see, this will show you right here. See, so you can see we only have Flux, Flux Cadena, Flux ETH, Flux BSC, Fluxtron, and Flux Soul as to current right now as of today. Today is the 25th. Today is the day that you were able to claim. So as of the 25th, it's not possible. They said it could be a week to 2 weeks from what I was reading up in the Discord, which is about an average from the last few times. Claiming takes a lot on the networks. So you go to snapshot claim, go ahead and click snapshot. We'll go ahead and go to the Avalanche C-Chain. We'll skip past that. And as you can see, I do have a rewards Flux. So I do get a 252 claimable Flux Avalanche from my holdings that I had in my wallet before I moved them. I left them there before I moved to do nodes and stuff. So kept it there up until snapshot, and here we are. Now there is a 8 Flux fee for claiming these. Now that's a little high, right? For claiming your BSC, you know, you were paying like 3, but the fees on Avalanche are a little higher. So your fee does kind of like, your fee will vary between chain to chain and claims and even Fusion fees. All right, so you got to pay the fee for the Flux, you got to pay the fee for parallel asset itself, you got to pay gas fees, right? Ethereum's fees are usually pretty high for their claiming fee. Now actually right now they are a little bit lower. That being said, because the gas is lower on Ethereum, so the fee is lower. Now I'm okay with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and click rewards, add this to my reward drop, click preview, and we will claim snapshot. As you can see, we will get an error. It'll say another user is claimed, like it just did for me, and you just literally do it again. All right, so all of this is blurred out. A lot of this stuff is blurred out for you, so you can't see this, but it is going. You can go ahead and click show and explore. Guys, remember that the Titan nodes are up and running. Now, when Fusion is up and running, I will be converting some of this actually over into mainnet Flux to put back into the Titan ecosystem. All right, so kind of also what I was talking about earlier, you will need AVAX on the C chain in order for gas, so you can utilize things like swap space. Referral link for this is in the description below. Please use it. It is very helpful, and I thank everybody that has used it so far, because I thank you all. So you could like swap for, say, Litecoin to get AVAX, right? AVAX on the C chain. Okay, so keep that in mind. You can type in AVAX and you do get Avalanche BEP20, Avalanche X, and Avalanche C chain. We are on the C chain with Flux, so make sure you put that. So like minimum is like 0.04 Litecoin, which is really like $4, something like that, $4 or $5, and you can do that on change now, and you will get 0.1 AVAX. So I will show you how to do this. You can actually go over into your exchange. You would click the wallet that you would have. So let's say I had over saying Litecoin. So put LTC for the asset, and then we need, oh, it's right there, AVAX C. All right, so you would swap 0. But we can do like 1. Which 56 cents. Let's can't do that. Minimum we can swap right now is 0.19, utilizing the exchange quick swap inside of the Zelcore wallet. All right, so 0.198 would give you, it's $11, and would give you 0.5 AVAX. All right, so if you wanted a full AVAX, you would probably do 0.4, right? 0.4 of a Litecoin would give you a full AVAX on the C chain currently, and you could just swap that, have it in your wallet, ready to go. We can go ahead and go to portfolio. As you can see, we do have our Avalanche token. As you can see, it does show up here. Here is your contract address, so you can check the contract address. Now, it is not on any exchanges right now or any dexes that are currently listed. I even went to check our one of our favorite swaps, which would be Dex Guru. They utilize a lot of DeFi chains. You can see we were on looking for that earlier, and does not pull anything up. Once all of that is unlocked, I'll be able to go over and do this. When I was actually making a node or making a video for Titan the other day, there was none open. Now there's some slots open. There's about 80,000 Flux at the time, or sorry, 78,000 Flux at this time of the video available to put into Titan. Now this is freaking awesome because this does pull Flux out of circulating supply, which is good for price, right? All right. So that is how you do that, guys. Now, of course, like I said, there is no option to swap in Fusion as of currently. We could click here. As you can see, it's still not here, even though we have it in our wallet. Without further ado, guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, bell notifications, so you know every time we go live here on the channel or post videos. Right now we're trying to ramp up some content speed thanks to having the facility. We have a lot of stuff to cover sometimes, so looking out for 2 video drops a week, plus the Saturday morning live streams for Good Morning Miners, and we will see you all in the next one. Much love, peace out, and stay Fluxtastic. Later, guys.